See, yes, I got a light. Found some bulbs. Yes, under a lot of junk in like a box thing full of bulbs. When I say a full box of bulbs, I mean, hang on, I forgot. Sorry for that. When I say a full box of bulbs, I mean a box full of 2 bulbs. The Philips saving light bulbs. Pretty good, as you can see. Just recently turned it on. Tried to do a vlog. It's about 6:15. I shall do it now. And I know I missed yesterday's. I think I missed yesterday's. I can't remember. I've got an inkling that I did. If I did, then I'm sorry. Yeah, nothing much. Tired as fuck. Don't know what. What else have I done? Not much. Not much indeed. Got some new toothpaste. That's about it. Some lunch. I first had a curry. Homemade curry. If you I do need to do a video about that. Homemade curry. Yeah, hopefully it should be fun whenever I get around to do it. It's weird how that bit of patch of my head and under my nose ain't growing properly. Anyway, gotta go. Till next time, farewell.